Hi, I'm Koya Webb, and welcome to Yoga for Neck and Shoulder Pain. If you're anything like me, you carry a lot of tension in your neck and shoulders, and from being in cars to working, everything, I tend to tense up in my neck and shoulders, so I always have to relax. So I'm really excited about sharing this with you. So make sure you're comfortable, have something comfortable to wear, and you don't have to be on a mat. You can actually be in a chair or sitting down, whatever feels comfortable for you, or have a block or a bolster underneath your hips. I like to sit in easy pose, which is just legs down, or if you're more advanced, you can also sit in lotus, whatever feels good to you. But what we're gonna do is just start off by breathing. Take a deep inhale and exhale. Let everything that you were thinking about before completely go away. Anything that was bothering you, and just completely focus on your breath. Allow this to be your sacred time on your mat, where you just really connect and tune in to what you need to feel good. Another deep inhale and exhale. This time on the inhale, bring your shoulders to your ears and exhale back down and around. Inhale, shoulders to your ears. Exhale, back down and around. Inhale, shoulders to your ears. Exhale, back down and around. One more time. Inhale, shoulders to your ears. Exhale, back down and around. Relax your chin to your chest. And start to circle your head around in big circles. If you have any neck problems, you don't have to go all the way back. Just stay in the front. Otherwise, make a big circle all the way around. Just releasing nice and slow. Feeling the full range of motion. And if your range is constricted, don't force it. Just breathe and move as much as you can. However your body is allowing today, just breathe into it. And then reverse directions, just nice and slow. Inhaling and exhaling as you go, feeling the release with each breath. Take your ear over to your left shoulder and just hold it there. Deep inhale and exhale, sigh it out. You can stay here, or if you want to, you can bring your hand to your head and add a little gentle pressure. Just make sure you're breathing, and then tilt your head forward a couple inches and feel that stretch as it slightly changes. And then take your head back a couple inches, and then bring it all the way around to your right side. Inhale and exhale, relaxing. You want to create as much space here, shoulders really grounding down and head lengthening towards the air. You'll feel that release. If you have any type of tension, you'll just feel the release and just breathe into it. Inhale and exhale, sigh it out. Again, if you want to place a little extra pressure, go ahead and place your hand on your head and gently bring your head down a little lower and slightly to the front a couple inches. And feel as you move your head forward, you should feel that stretch transition to the back. You slowly move your head to the back slightly. You'll feel the stretch transition to the front. And just once you get what I'm doing, just close your eyes and just breathe into the stretch. And then slowly release. Feel better already. Okay, now bring your hands to the side and bring your left arm up and over, stretching as far as you can. Your bottom hand is grounded. And then your top arm comes up and over, and just gaze up at your hand. Take that arm across your body and down towards the ground, and turn and look behind you. Bringing the ear as close as you can towards the knee, but completely letting go of your head and neck. So not holding it up, but just completely let the head hang down, releasing any stress, any judgment if you're doing it right. If you're doing it, you're doing it right. Just completely relax. Deep inhale. And exhale, relax deeper. Inhale, bring that arm up and overhead. And exhale, bring that arm down. Inhale, right arm comes up and over. Again, just stretch it. Feel your hip grounding down as you lengthen your arm towards the sky, gazing up. And even if gazing up is hard on your neck, then go ahead and look down. You're still stretching your neck. And then slowly let that hand come out in front of you and turn and look behind you. And you'll feel that stretch all the way from your hip throughout your side, all the way up into your neck. This is one of my favorite stretches to do when I practice yoga. When I'm teaching a full class, I love to start with this series because most of us have tension in our neck and shoulders. It feels good to release and let go. Just to let go of the tension. Let go of even trying really hard. Just let your whole body relax. Inhale, bring that arm up. And exhale, bring it down. Bring your right arm across your chest, your left arm across your chest, and just give yourself a big squeeze. Just for showing up for yourself, just for practicing self-care, just giving yourself a big hug. Any time of day is a good decision. Now I want you to take your head and turn it to the left. Looking over your shoulder as far as you can, just breathing through that range of motion. A couple breaths here. And then slowly breathing as you move, turn to the right, looking over your shoulder. And relaxing down. Your shoulders aren't here, tense, they're down, away, and your heart is slightly lifted. Grounding down through your sit bones. And just breathe. Close your eyes. And just feel the sensations flowing through your body. Come back to center. Again, inhale, bring the shoulders to your ears. Exhale, back down and around. Now we're going to take the left hand and bring it to the right knee. And this time we're going to twist. So looking to the right and the left. You're twisted, feeling the energy flowing through your spine as you lift up, grounding down through your hips, lifting as high as you can. Breathe. Switching sides. Right hand is over your left knee and just twisting. Even if you can't twist that much, twist as much as you can and just breathe wherever you stop. Inhale. And exhale, twist a little bit deeper. Oh, I heard a nice little pop on that one. Inhale. Exhale, a little bit deeper. It's always important in yoga that you're moving, going deeper on the exhale. So you inhale and create space. And exhale as you move into that space. And now we're just going to completely release. So just bring your hands out in front of you and just completely fold forward. And let your upper body come down as far as it can. Completely relaxing. Walk your hands out. Take a deep inhale. And exhale. Feel that total body stretch. Inhale. And exhale. Melt deeper. Again, inhale, creating space. Exhale, move into that space. Completely relax. Just feel your body let go. Let go of trying. All day we go through the day trying our best to be our best. And sometimes it's good to just let go. Deep inhale. Deep exhale. Just let go. Let all your worries just melt into the mat. Slowly walk yourself up. And now plant your hands behind you. Open your heart. Relax your head back. Open your throat. And then slowly round. As much as you can, chin to chest. Again, open. If you can't bring your hands behind you, you can also bring your hands to your knees. Open, look up. And exhale as you round. Inhale, open. Exhale, round. Inhale, open. Exhale, round. Inhale, open and move forward. Exhale, round and move back. Inhale, open. Shoulders away from the ear. Exhale, round. Inhale, open. Exhale, round. Inhale, open. And exhale. And come back to center. Inhale, bring the shoulders to the ears, as tight as you can, and relax. 2 more just like that. Bring the shoulders to the ears, tighter, 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 and relax. Last time, inhale, bring them up, and exhale, relax. This is really good for your neck and your shoulders, so anytime you're feeling tension, or if you just need to relax at the end of a long day, remember to come and just release everything emotional. Even when your physical body is hurting, just come to your mat to let go. Inhale, bring your hands to heart center. And exhale. Bring your hands to your third eye for clarity of thought. May you think in ways in alignment with your soul. Bring your hands to your lips. May you speak words of truth that are in alignment with your being. Bring your hands to your heart. May you act in ways that are in alignment with the divine. The divine in me sees, honors, and recognizes the divine in you. Let's light this world together. Namaste. Thank you so much for joining me today for yoga for shoulder and neck pain. And please subscribe to my channel. Let me know how this felt for you. Leave some comments below. Share this with a friend that you think could benefit from it. And until next time, love yourself, love others, and love the planet. Peace and love.